5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
This is what we came here for.
Welcome back to the channel. My name is Akshay. I'm a student pilot. I'm going to take you on a journey of becoming commercial pilot. So as you have already read in the thumbnail, I'm gonna unbox 15,000 rupees aviation headset. So let's get started.
So this is the headset. Here it's written Air Classics HS1A headset made in Korea, lifetime warranty.
Now I know you are wondering why I brought these headsets. For one, I bought them because they were the cheapest one available. Now from where I bought them from Sterling Bookstore, an online shop which is placed in Mumbai, doing business from Mumbai. This video is not sponsored by them, the only store selling from 50,000 rupees. Otherwise on Amazon they are for 20,000 rupees. I also know you are wondering that don't flying schools provide the headphones. Well, some flying schools do and some don't because of the COVID. Before COVID, every flying school was providing the headphones, but nowadays because of the COVID, they are not. Students are supposed to bring their own headphones. I'm sure you are also thinking, can't we use our normal headsets that we use at home? Well, you see these tips, these are quite thicker than the normal headsets. So no, you can't use your normal headsets. So this was the whole unboxing process of a 15,000 rupees headset. So if you have enjoyed this video and loved the unboxing, then make sure to like, subscribe and comment. If you have any more questions related to aviation, let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.